Banúí Fóram na Nóg a gabhíle saní le freastal ar an gár ga agus éile bhí gascairt ó rialscoileanna le haidéisina nua-ormail chun úsáid hóisialta na Gaeilge a chathú taobh de gataí na níl-scoileanna. Ó dhearcain bhoga, dorbar an airneoláige Gaeilge ó thuaidh mar glúchud de scoilphobal na Gaeilge agus mar chrann taca de infrastruachtar a fheohanna na Gaeilge atá fréamhaithe san orbairt agus achghinint phobal agus é teomanta de chléachú sóisialta i gcoitinne. Tógadh airneoil sugin ónmhain níos le béim ar muonú féinneoileachta agus saoranach gríomhach ag leibhil an phobal. Inar múna den obair óige trí Gaeilge, Curfur béim hainniúil ar Múnteras, Cur higa ran farcha, ina bhfuil an teanga lárnach, spás córinse agus fun únireachta. Tá sé de sprec agin daoine óga muinínach, cúptaithe a chathu a bheits mar gríomhaithe agus ceannairí sa tothaí a bhís cléachlathach a bheohanna na Gaeilge. Is airneoil measartha ógmuid agus te go leor buinte amach agin go dtí seo. Tá muid ag súil le pathaí gheal amach cruaí. Is mé Siorlaoibh Iclíne na banistóir tharbhaisí óige le Fóram na Nóg. Mar thuail sibh te Fóram na Nóg faoi bhleath le 10 mbliana anuas. Is íon bblion seo fiche haon an bbliana suntasaí a dacail in níos mó sarbhaisí óige a bheith carthar fáil chun freastal ar an airneoláige Gaeilge fud fad na sé chundé. Bei Fóram na Nóg an seo na hanairíochtaí anna arbhar son le cinnte go bhfuil bhuirgeart de teanga agus daoine curtha thun cin. Ar bhhair sin, bei muid ag éileamh sarbhaisí cearta dar níl óga. Bei muid ag cinnte go bhfuil bhuirniu lárnach in neach píosa ibre a tití amach agus go méid ran fartathe son a cinnteoí go bhfuil an rialtas ag freastal ar bhuirgod riachtaníos. Bhhailinn ar muothas a ggóil leis an IA agus an rinneidehis as a bheith ag obair linn le blianta boga anuas, agus is an muinniú seo a chur fáin le cinnte go bhfuil an obair óige trí Gaeilge córas ruthíthe ag blathú agus ag fás. Tá muid an sásta rá go bhfuil sarbhaisí breise agin a dacail le heilehaint, chláirithe óige, inniuthú airneola, imeachtaí geal sealbhara agus taide a dhéanann cinnte go mbeidh muid abal de freastal ar an géalphobal óige, scoileanna agus an pobal Gaeilge i gcoitinne fud fad na sé chundé.
Mar aon, bei Fóram na Nóg ag tógáil sia nua Idirlíon idirghréamhach le rins chláirithe óige a nimhraí mar foinse lárnach teagmhaile agus stúras acmhainnig don na grúpaí ar fad. Tásúil agin gur féidir linn tapaí leatsa agus do grúpa in sa tréimhse iontacht seo a bhuain, ní neart go chur le chéile.
Díonaí bh cairde agus fáilte go Lainseáil Suíomh Idirlíon Fóram na Nóg. Is mé sé cruthair mac séagais agus tá méid obair mar ifigach forbathe réigeanach le Fóram na Nóg le rins méana anuas. Tá an Lainseáil seo ag teití amach mar páirt de Féile na Carige. De Féile na Carige reachtal ag glór na múna, so nuair tar clúnaí le rins blianta anuas agus mar páirt de imeachtaí na seachtaine seo tá muid deannaí an Lainseáil ar an Suíomh seo. But bei rins amachtaí ag teití amach de réir chéile le linn na seachtaine. Bei chuid na amachtaí sin ag freastal ar an phobal, chuid ag freastal ar an óige. Bei sé a clúach téamaí a dacail le ceol, cultúr, sport agus políteacht. So más chuid na amachtaí a tharla go dtí seo na bhí Lainseáil an eile ón dehaine chumh maith le léirí scanan ón ihe saharn. Maidín saharn an sin bhí Lainseáil múrpictar ar son an achtas stóniad fordathe agus agus chumh maith le sin bhí lá sport sin le léibre lochlaí. Chuid na himachtaí simúil atá ag tarlaí an seachan seo, a dacail le Fóram na Nóg bei ar nua an Suíomh Lainseáil an éisiogin agus an acht bei muid deannaí Lainseáil ar an taide a rinneú ag Orla na Gcirc ar son an tógra solas na Nóg, agus tá muid inéis a bogu dro ag argar an eile ag teití amach an codealad an seachtain. Bei me garc rins ceardlan ag tuitim amach agus cumáile sin bei seolú lóran agus bei lecht Harry Holland agus bei gig fel an carige ag tarlú an sin Gordonamona ag an jury shopping se hogin. Agus a rina seachtain ní seo bei rins amachtaí eile ag tarlú in sa fphobal in san Uachtar Clúnaí agus fod fad Bill First. So chunig í súil amach chlár fel an carige agus bégí linnig na amachtaí sin mas féidir. So inniu tá muid garc an Suíomh Idirlíon tá muid gobar le dearthirí le rins méana anús ag chur le cíal le Suíomh a bheith ina foinse ólas don arneal óige géalaige ba cumáile sin bei rins acmhaí an Suíomh sin bei rins taide fuiltithe an Suíomh sin agus bei muid garc a dró grúpi a grísú an sa dóis go bhfuil siad inon an Suíomh seo úsid bon commerceide lena céile agus sa dóis go bhfuil muid inon chun ní suas an data leis na acmhaí is déanaí agus is fearr don obaráige. So mar part in amach seo aniu, tá lugar ar an marrá go mé an Suíomh seo a go beá tar éis an ísean seo, agus bei mé sé ag lé cuds duna téimi atá ag rí tríd an Suíomh Idirlíon agus an sin bheith muid gar físean bog clachtú le an dearthóir a rinn an Suíomh doing. So ben Suíomh Idirgríomhach nua seo a go beá ar son na grúpi ar fad atá páirteach in san arneal óige géalaige ba cumáile sin ar son duine bí a simach in san arneal óige géalaige agus tá géirí feile amach níos mó ólas faoin arneal. So curthaí an Suíomh seo foinse commerceide ar feil don na grúpi óige géalaige. Chun deisna cuibre cothaí an san arneal, so dóis go déag le daoine commerceide solar dhéanamh lena céile me tá sin de dhí. Agus go dóis go déag lásúla chun lear na rudí atá go ré timpal an arneal. So a más na gréthe ure a bheits ar feil ar an Suíomh bei léirscail Idirgríomhach an a bhfuil muid abalta arc ar na clubanna óige ar fádatá agus cumáile sin leis na soláthraithe serviceí atá an sa ceantartha áitiúla sa dóis go déaglann codú agus a chur leis na serviceí atá ar feil go háitiúil. So cumáile leis an léirscail bei foinse ólas ar feil agus bei rins chláirithe agus policythe ar feil ar an Suíomh Idirlíon cumáid. Tá muid ag tógal ar na acmhaí seo de réire chéile ach tá muid ag bualadh amach le na grúpi ar fad atá chláirithe le Fóram na Nóg. Agus bei muid ag codú le dagal le tréanal a chur feil agus acmhaí a chur feil donna Ibrióige. So bei túnon na acmhaí sin éislódal, agus cumáile sin bei muid ag chur couple písa taide an airde. Písa taide is déanaí a bhí deanta ag fanúla Nick Roberts, agus inniu a bhí ar lábha ag Fóram na Nóg. Bhí mé sé a deagúil le grúpi le an saoiríonn sin, agus bhí muid abal de tósaí anna ar na réachtaní satá teach amach as na grúpi sin go háitiúil, na réachtaní sin bunaithe ar commerceide le Ibrióige agus le daoine óga chumáid. So mar part den inniu rinneú gá survey óige agus survey Ibri, agus bunaithe ar na torthaí as an survey sin tá tuairiscríofa ag Fóram na Nóg, agus bei muid ag láinseáil an tuairisc inniuachta sin cumáid leis an tuairisc taide in sna seachtaine bog aróin an seo, so bei muid ag filtiú data don láinseáil sin. So tá an Suíomh Idirlíon seo bunaithe ar codú a thabhairt don arneal commerceide anna lena céile níos mó acmhaí a ail a bhfuil ús an data agus a bhfuil tú anon bheith íslódal agus a gúsid le bhar grúpa. Agus bei muid ag argadró an blian uair nuair a bei muid ag chur go mór leis na acmhaí atá ar feil ar an Suíomh de réire céile agus de sinna le mar atá ráite bunaithe ar na réachtaní sa bheith teach amach as na comáin le linn an inniu. So tá mé sé go físean bog a léiríonn seo, físean céim ar céim in sa dóis go déag le go tríd an Suíomh, de sin gartha agus chutha le chéile leis an dearthóir a rinn Suíomh linn. So tásúla go muinn siad sult as an físean bog seo, béimiid a hart hon freigre a thuirtear na ceisna me sin de jólar le linna níos nó tar éis an níos. So bunig í sult a seo.
I've landed on the homepage here of Fóram na Nóg Initially you've got a search box. That's what users are going to see. They can search for Club Oigas or they can search for service providers. If they scroll down, there's a wee bit of about us and some category selectors that allow you to drill down into, let's say you're only interested in Kjol, this is for you. The service providers, there they are, loads of service providers. They're the Club Oigas or the youth clubs. Then there's service providers that support the youth clubs. So obviously kids go to a youth club, then service providers provide services for youth clubs. So on down there's a footer with our funder and sponsors, social media links, and that's pretty much the homepage. I'm going to just not use the search function for a second to show you the interactive map. Lainseáil Idirlíon. Whenever you click the interactive map or the Lainseáil Idirlíon, it brings up a interactive map showing where all the youth clubs are. So I'll look down here: Newry, Oma, Derry, and so on and so on. So you can explore the map visually like that. Obviously if you're from Newry, you're not really going to be that interested in going to youth clubs in Derry. So one of the tasks of this project, if we go back to the homepage here, is obviously it's very much based on location. So if I was to type in my location in Newry and I want to just see what's the situation with Club Oiga. So the system has brought back within 20 miles that there's 3. Say I was going to push that out a wee bit further. Well, I've got 10 now. Great. So that basically is the way this website works. It's based on location. You can also drill down a little bit more if you're only interested. So out of the, how many did we bring back there? 10. So let's just say we're only interested in music. And the 10 becomes 6. So you can literally drill down or use filters to get what you need. And if there was Wi-Fi and street parking, you can find out all of that lovely stuff. Same with the service providers. If you are just interested in service providers instead of youth clubs, so normally the youth clubs will be trying to find the service providers. Again, the map demonstrates where the holes are, where the gaps are in service provision. Obviously down around Newry, all the way over basically most of South Armagh and most of Down. There's very little service providers. Anyway, going across the rest of the website, that's covering the search functionality. The resources, some of the resources are available in Word document and PDF, just to cover that in case people don't have Word on their computer or whatever. There's lots of documents. You can preview all the documents before deciding to download the documents. So hit the preview button, have a little look at the document, read a bit more about it, and if you want to download it, you can download it. Same with some of the case studies under Casana Stager. Some of these case studies feature articles about kids who have gone through the Irish medium education system and found jobs and opportunities, benefits of being in that sector and how that journey went for them. So worth reading, and hopefully that section will fill out quite soon. What other sections have we got? Yeah, the directory of services is an ongoing piece of work, like a spreadsheet that just fills out all the service providers, and hopefully over time we're going to take these service providers and work them into the Solidarity Servicey or service providers interactive map, so that they're visualized and people can see, oh wow, here's where all these places are and here's what they provide. The gallery page is, as its name suggests, image gallery showing all the photographs and basically pieces of work that have been done. this is only kicking off, so if you're watching this video in 3 months' time or 6 months' time, there should be a lot more here. There's two things that I was going to just suggest before we break off here is, if you're already a Club Oige that's already on this website, we've created a feature whereby you can claim your listing. So Club Oige and Lurie, we've gone ahead and got these photographs from your social media accounts and the descriptions such. So in time, if you want to change this, you can come to your listing, which is this page here, and down here there's a button that says claim listing, and we really encourage all the members of Fóram na nÓg to claim their listing right away, hopefully after watching this explainer video. So if you're a Club Oige and you're already on the map system or already on the website, please feel free to go ahead and claim your listing. That is also the same for the service providers. So if you're a service provider, and let's just pick one at random here in Belfast, Art Freak, Tura. If Tura's on as a service provider, he can choose claim the listing, and I'm going to make another video detailing the bits and pieces of how to claim listings, but it's pretty simple. You push the buttons and move forward, and then you can make changes to your own page and such. So we're, on those two fronts, I think it's safe to say that on the page at the minute for the Club Oiges, all of the Club Oiges, upon completion of the audit, they've all been identified, and this is them all. Service providers, there's probably a good few that have slipped through the net and aren't currently on the website, but that doesn't also mean that in the future there won't be room for new Club Oiges to be created and new service providers to be created. So up here we've created this new feature with Bí Páirteach, and again, having covered how to claim an existing listing, this is different now. Bí Páirteach is to create something new that no one's. It's like if you just come up with a new startup, let's call it. If you want to be a new Club Oige, a new service provider, or just a basic member. So why have the basic membership? Basic membership is for people who just want to support Fóram na nÓg. It's a £5 a year to just have free access to events, exclusive access to online content, to enrich the community that you're from, or probably you have a Club Oige, or maybe you're friends of someone who's a service provider, and to grow your organisation. But between now and the end of this year, we're going to waive those fees. If you're a new organisation that no one's ever heard of and you're watching this video now, please sign up. The fee will be discounted at the checkout automatically. And yeah, you can join and create a new listing. I'm going to create a separate video once again on how to do that because it just takes too long. So there's two separate videos coming. One is about how to claim an existing listing, and the second video is about how to register as a new service provider or a new Club Oige. That pretty much covers all the things I was going to say. There is a sign in and a register feature as well, that if you are a youth club, yeah, let's just go over that for 2 seconds. If you are a youth club, from the front end of the site, these features, this is just what I want to talk about. If, when you're creating your listing and you fill in all the different metadatas, your address, photography, description, amenities, categories, you can add social media links, phone numbers, lots of different things. Whenever this gets published on the site, then the public can use this button to get directions, which loads up a Google Maps page and they can see where you are. If they're on mobile, it'll use the app to give you directions. Call now, which will initiate a phone call straight away. If you're on mobile, it'll just start literally phoning them. You can send a direct message through this website, which will get to the author or the owner of the listing. People can leave a review. They can bookmark, share on loads of different platforms, or if there is any issues, please report them using the system. So that's the same for service providers and club oigas. Okay, that literally covers everything that I want to chat about just in an intro video as to the new website and its current functionality as it sits. Work in progress, probably is best to say in a year or two it'll have hopefully filled out with lots more service providers. And as I said, there's going to be 2 more videos. One of them is going to be detailing how to claim a listing that's already on the site, and the second one's going to be how to register as a new club oiga or a new service provider that isn't currently added to the site. Thanks very much for your time. Bye bye.
So Carja Tassul and Gwynch of Salt as an imac the new Mardurch may Bainwich ag Janu Lainseáil Taija Sols na Oganacht Ta much ag art a drew imac more the coach form an Oganacht ag catching a macker share clug ag gil on it vigil shin Lainseáil Taija Sols na Og August imac Kellerhe and Togra Sols na Og. So Mata Olis or BD her the shin go jag will stir her form the Og or Leah at formnanog.com. So Carja Gurmila Mayo go vas Frasler in a macht, August the Sulogum Gumwin of Salt as and Kojala to Fike the fell in a carriga. Slango foil.